Sure, sure.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Mm. This question was asked in NEET 2024. I'm sharing.
Okay. Yeah, sir, I got the sums.
Tell me the answer.
No, one second, I'm solving. I'm giving you that.
Okay, okay.
Teacher, it will be first option.
1 second. हाँ. Okay, good. Very good. Now check the second question. This is all, this is NEET 2024 question that I'm giving. Very good.
Okay. Yeah, teacher. Answer
Yes,
will be option A.
answer option A. How?
Basically, first I wrote the formula. उसके बाद I took the formula of delta n in gaseous form. So I got
हाँ,
-2. Then I took
हाँ,
delta H is equal to delta U plus NG delta NGRT. फिर उसके बाद
हाँ.
ऐसा वो delta U was unknown in that. So I took delta U outside and did the addition and multiplication of all the other values.
Hmm.
So then delta U is equal to 19988.4 joules.
Great. Very good, Neil. Superb. ये सब री एग्जाम 2024 के क्वेश्चंस हैं.
Okay.
हाँ. Very good. Very good. Check. तुम्हारे टाइम से शायद नीट अब चेंज होगा. नीट मेंस और एडवांस हो जाएगा.
हाँ वही 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 सुनाई देता है ऐसे
Hmm.
जेई की तरह.
It'll be very difficult for kids.
हाँ
इसीलिए तुम लोगों को तो और स्ट्रांग तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी.
मुझे समझा नहीं वो क्यों कर रहे हैं पर वो ऐसे अजीब लग रहा है सब. मतलब नीट
और
मेंस और फिर नीट एडवांस।
फिर वो लोग वो भी कर देंगे तुम लोगों का कंप्यूटर बेस्ड।
कॉलेज पे
कंप्यूटर बेस्ड
कंप्यूटर
टेस्ट।
बेस्ड वर्जन।
मीन्स पेपर पेन पेपर नहीं हो।
अच्छा, अच्छा बस।
हम्म।
Teacher, have we done this P block chapter?
पी ब्लॉक।
हाँ टीचर, क्योंकि वो अभी AITS के लिए होने वाला है इसलिए।
अच्छा नहीं नहीं हमने नहीं किया। ये वाला क्वेश्चन कर लो फिर अपन कर लेते हैं पी ब्लॉक, है ना।
हाँ।
अच्छा अभी जो अपनी लास्ट क्लासेस, 2 क्लासेस मिस हुई हैं तो हम लोग ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे 2 2 आवर्स ले ले क्लास। हो पाएगा
टू।
तुम्हारा? कल छुट्टी होगी ना।
हाँ।
और थोड़ा जल्दी लेंगे।
हाँ ठीक है, चलेगा।
7:30 to 9:30। ठीक है।
ठीक है, मुझे चलेगा।
चलेगा हाँ। मेरे को भी मॉर्निंग चलेगा, उसके बाद तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा।
हाँ ओके, श्योर श्योर। Yeah, sir. The answer is option 3, A, C, and D.
Can you tell me how?
Yeah, sir. Just one second. Basically, yeah, I had to first write that formula. उसके बाद the number of gaseous product molecules increases. So entropy, which is randomness of the molecules, increases. So Cl2 gaseous gives 2Cl gaseous. 1
Hmm.
mole Cl2 gaseous forms 2 moles Cl gaseous. So entropy increases. So because of that, yeah, a liquid evaporates to vapor. This formula 2NaHCO3 was a push, and Cl2G gives 2Clg is true,
Mhm.
and B is
Mhm.
not.
Okay, good. Chalo, fine. Now let's start with P block. Now, what is there in the P block? Most important. Recording in progress. So, what is there in P block?
Basically, they've taught the entire chapter, and it's now coming for the AITS. जो अभी I think next week कुछ तो है. So P block में it's
P block. देखो चलो हम पढ़ते हैं. देखो P block
हाँ,
है is what? P block is basically the boron family. Boron
oh,
family. अब बोरॉन फैमिली में क्या क्या आता है? इसको हिंदी में बोलो तो बैगन, आलू, गाजर इन थैला. बोरॉन, एल्युमिनियम, गैलियम, इंडियम, थैलियम. और इसको हम बोलते हैं ग्रुप 13 एलिमेंट्स. क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रुप 13 एलिमेंट्स. सो इसका आप देखते हो कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ दिस इज NS2 and NP1. So therefore, the electron has to be removed from the p orbital. It is easy to remove this electron from p orbital rather than removing from s orbital. Okay. See, why? Because this S is more strongly attracted by the nucleus. Okay. And next we see that boron has got high ionization enthalpy. Then its group members. Now, why does it have high ionization enthalpy? See, basically, what do we see? That ionization enthalpy is the energy which is required to remove an electron. Okay, so removing this electron will be easy. And boron has higher ionization enthalpy. It means that this is more closer. In boron is what? How many electrons will be there in boron?
boron there are
2, 3,
2.
5 na? atomic number of boron is how much?
हाँ
So here the
5.
size is very small, and since the size is very small, therefore it is very, very easy to, it's very difficult to remove because electrons are very strongly attracted. Okay, so therefore we say that the size of boron is very small as compared to its other elements. Therefore, the size is small and therefore high ionization energy. Okay, so the ionization energy of boron is so high. Very important question. The ionization energy of boron is so high that boron is always covalent. Tomorrow you are having holiday, 14th, 15th,
Tomorrow, no, but I might take a holiday tomorrow.
and 15th.
15th we don't have a holiday. I think till the end of February, like a proper holiday. Sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, मतलब संक्रांति का भी हॉलिडे नहीं दे रहे हैं स्कूल ये?
हाँ
अच्छा, ओके, फाइन। अगर कल हॉलिडे ले रहे हो तो फिर हम थोड़ा आगे कर देंगे क्लास, है ना,
ठीक है। हाँ हाँ
ताकि सुबह सो जाओ।
हम्म,
चलो, written. Now we'll see the oxidation state. Now what is oxidation state? Yes, see, oxidation state means what? Group 3 elements, because they have NS2 and NP1 in their outermost, they are expected to be trivalent plus 3 valency, but you know there is increase in ability to form univalent compounds as we go down the group. Okay, so from boron to aluminium, written.
written.
So from boron and aluminium, the oxidation state is +3. While gallium, indium, and thallium, they show an oxidation state of both +3 and +1. Why? Now they show because of inert pair effect. Got it? Because of inert pair effect, they are showing this. This is another important question for you. Got it?
Yes.
Now next is metallic character. Now what do you mean by metallic character? Or if I write reducing power. See, the order is barium is less than aluminium, is aluminium is actually more than gallium, is more than indium, is more than thallium. See, we see that there is increase in metallic character from boron to aluminium. Okay, now why this? Because there is, due to increase in atomic size. But gallium, indium, thallium, they do not follow this trend. They follow immediately after a row of 10 transition elements. Okay. And they have 10 d electrons. Why? They have 10 d electrons, which are less efficient for shielding the nuclear charge. Okay. Then S and P electron. So what we are seeing here, we are seeing that there is an effect that is known as the shielding effect. So they are less efficient for shielding. Since they are less efficient for shielding, thus outermost electrons are more firmly held by the nucleus. Written?
Okay. Yes.
So what we can say is, thus outermost electrons being more firmly held by the nucleus are more difficult to remove, right? Are more difficult to
Right.
remove than important.
Right. Right.
So therefore, what happens? Therefore, size decreases. Okay, as well as metallic character. So there is a decrease in size as well as decrease in the metallic character. And this phenomena is known as D block contraction. Are you getting? D block contraction. So what is D block contraction? What is D block contraction? Hmm?
D block. Basically, how the elements of the D block, uh, how they contract on reaction with specific elements or water.
Hmm. Now tell me the correct order of atomic radii. This is NEET 2018 question. The correct order of atomic radii in group 13 element is. You tell me on your own the correct order. Yes, will you give me the answer,
Yeah, teacher. Yeah, teacher.
please?
It is as in the exact values कि कैसे आंसर दें?
आप ये बताओ, बेरियम, एल्युमिनियम, गैलियम, इंडियम, थैलियम, इसमें क्या रहेगा करेक्ट ऑर्डर?
नहीं, क्वेश्चन समझा नहीं है सर. जस्ट could you?
इसके अंदर ये है बेरियम, एल्युमिनियम, इंडियम, गैलियम, थैलियम, या बोरॉन, एल्युमिनियम, गैलियम, इंडियम, थैलियम, और बोरॉन, गैलियम, एल्युमिनियम, थैलियम, इंडियम, और लास्ट इज बोरॉन, गैलियम, एल्युमिनियम, इंडियम, थैलियम. क्या करेक्ट ऑर्डर होगा?
या टीचर सेकंड ऑप्शन रहेगा ना. ये बोरॉन, एल्यूमिनियम, गैलियम, इंडियम, थैलियम.
वेरी गुड, यही पूछना था. नाउ नेक्स्ट
ओके.
इज, माय क्वेश्चन इज, why boron, write down, why boron has high melting point and boiling point? Yes.
बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स और उसका स्ट्रक्चर भी कॉम्प्लेक्स है
Yes,
इसलिए.
very good, very good, very good. Now, if we see for thallium, see this thallium is actually followed immediately after 14F block element. So what happens? There is much change in the size and metallic character of it. Okay, so there is much change in the size and metallic character of it. Now, why it is? It is due to lanthanide contraction. Now, why this lanthanide contraction is there? Now, this lanthanide contraction is there, which is due to F block elements. Okay. So, what do we know? That as we go down, the size becomes, what happens? Size increases down the group. Okay. Now I'm sharing you one detail. Please write this down, and one table of boron, because this boron, they ask many questions.
Oh,
Instead of me sharing, and draw the structure also. Ma'am, please share.
yeah, sure.
And one table. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ना, हाँ, इसके अंदर तो रत्ती भर भी नहीं छोड़ना, ये सोच लो.
Oh, oh. Yeah, Disha, done.
Okay.
So what do you understand from this? That
Basically,
boron, boron के बारे में बोलो.
so basically boron has physical properties which are that it is crystalline. It is an inert element. It is black in color and it is generally very hard. फिर उसके बाद it is
It is
amorphous.
हम कोवेलेंट, इसका कोवेलेंट नेचर होता
हाँ
है ना.
हाँ
तो ये दो फॉर्म्स में आता है. हाँ, क्रिस्टलाइन एंड एमोर्फस.
crystalline and amorphous. हाँ it is chemically active. It is a non-conductor. मतलब वो ऐसा conduct नहीं कर सकता इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या तो हीट को. एंड वो फ्यूज करने के लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. एंड इट इज ब्राउन इन कलर. फिर उसके बाद ये all allotropic forms contain icosahedral unit. What is teacher? What is icosahedral?
इसका मतलब इसके क्या होते हैं कि इसके 12 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं, 12 कॉर्नर्स.
हाँ
12 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं, ठीक है. जैसे पॉइंटेड एंड्स हैं, ऐसे समझ लो. जैसे हम ये बनाते हैं ना, ऐसे.
हाँ
जैसे ये.
हाँ.
तो ऐसे इसके 12 होते हैं. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है बोरैक्स. Na2B4O2.10H2O. ओके, ये याद रखना है. बोरिक एसिड है, वो याद रखना है, H3BO3. ओके. और ये बनाता है डाइबोरेन. सो बोरॉन का अगर मैं स्ट्रक्चर देखूंगी तो इसमें क्या होगा, NS2NP1. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इसके अंदर में वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हैं? वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज इक्वल टू 3. उसके बाद ना ये एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर, इसका फिजिकल स्टेट देखेंगे. फिजिकल स्टेट क्या बताता है कि बोरॉन इज अ नॉन मेटल. ओके, बट एल्यूमिनियम, इंडियम एंड गैलियम, ये तीनों क्या है? दे आर मेटलॉइड्स. ओके. अब गैलियम है, it has got second lowest melting point. सबसे ज्यादा किसका लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है? कौन से मेटल का?
lowest boiling point gallium.
सबसे कम होता है मर्क्यूरी का. उसके बाद आता है गैलियम. इवन एट हाई टेम्परेचर्स वो लिक्विड स्टेट में ही रहता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज एम्फोटेरिक नेचर. नाउ व्हाट इज एम्फोटेरिक? हमने पढ़ा है ना एम्फोटेरिक. What do you mean by amphoteric? Amphoteric means which acts as both an acid and a base, right? So what do we say? We say that aluminium hydroxide is amphoteric in nature. Are you getting?
Yes, teacher.
So if I say amphoteric means, in this case, A, L, O, and H. So what do we see? That the bond between, or you can say strength between A, L, and O and OH, it is same. Bond strength of Al, we can say bond strength of ALO is equal to bond strength of OH. Getting?
Got it. Got it.
Now aluminium. Now here we see boron. Boron forms what? Boron forms diborane or diboron. Now what is diboron? Diboron is B2H6. Okay. So how will you make the structure of diboron? Will you try? B2H6. Draw the structure.
Okay. Yeah, teacher, done.
So tell me the hybridization of boron in B2H6. B2H6 can be written as BH3 also.
Yes.
So is it electron fulfilled or electron deficient? Is it electron fulfilled or electron deficient? It is BH3 is electron deficient molecule. Why? It has got 6 electrons, right? And vacant orbital. Now, since it is used, it has got vacant orbital. Therefore, what you will say? That it is used as an electrophile. So why we are using diborane? You will see maximum utilization of diborane in organic chemistry. What is the reason? The reason is that it has got 6 electrons and a vacant orbital. So because of this vacant orbital, it is used as an electrophile in organic reactions. Now you know what are electrophiles. Do you know what are electrophiles? Neel,
Yes, teacher.
what is electrophile?
Electrophile.
Electrophile means electron attracting. Nucleophile means nucleus attracting. Nucleus has got what? Positive charge. Therefore, it is attracted towards that. है ना?
Right,
Okay,
right.
chalo. We'll discuss up and we'll meet. We'll take class tomorrow. Extra class. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.